Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on a Nokia C31. And to do this you will need to open the Google Play Store and here try to find the app called Notify Buddy. Select this one and install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open it and here go to the next step, grant 3 permissions for the app. Move to the next step and click on OK. From here, the app should be ready. You can find 4 tabs down here. There's User, System, Active, and Settings. In User, you can select any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System, you can do the same thing, but with all system-bound apps. In Active, there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the Settings, you can change anything about your LED lamp, like a size, shape, or a placement on the screen. Now let's click on the test button, and here's our LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.